I'm Christy Rost. On May 6th, millions will watch history unfold as the next King of England is crowned. Planning a coronation celebration? Then today's recipe for jeweled tea cookies is a fitting addition to your menu. In the mixer, I have 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is softened, and I add in 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. Beat this for about 8 minutes until it's really light and fluffy. Then, in this bowl, I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Just stir this together. Once the butter mixture is soft and fluffy and light, then add in 1 egg yolk and 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla. Just beat that well. Then gradually add the flour mixture in with the butter mixture. And I like to use a spoon and do it by hand. I floured my hands and I'm rolling teaspoons of cookie dough between my hands and place them on ungreased cookie sheet. Then I put an indentation in each cookie. Just dip my finger in flour and push that in like that. And fill the centers with preserves, about 1/4 teaspoon, just the right amount. I'm using apricot today. Then I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes until the bottom of the cookie is just barely brown around the outside. Remove them from the oven, set them aside to cool for about a minute, and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Then dust the cookies lightly with confectioner's sugar, which will melt in the center over the preserves and leave a beautiful finish on the outside of the cookie. So light and buttery, they almost melt in your mouth. Jewel tea cookies are worthy of celebration, whether it's King Charles' coronation, Mother's Day, or afternoon tea. Take care, bake some joy.